When I first transitioned out of the military, I was of the typical mentality of most nukes coming out of the submarine force, which was, gee, I can go work at a nuclear power plant, or I can go try to do something else.
I never thought that I could take my background and actually go into a technology company or some other company and apply it in a different format.
And it really didn't hit me until I visited my first data center. And that was really the wow moment for me. If you look at a typical Navy infrastructure installation like a submarine or a ship, you would see lots of pumps, you would see lots of cooling infrastructure, you would see diesel generators. If I were to take you on a tour of one of our data centers, you would see some very, very, very similar things.
So most people do not know what a data center actually is. They're basically just a big server farm, and they're very, very clean, and they're pretty quiet, and it's a much more industrial environment than most people would expect it to be. The machines are kept very secure with physical security, and then of course the data security itself.
We're responsible for all of the server networks and other sundry equipment that goes into what makes the internet run at Google. We handle that all the way around the world.
We design all the computers, networking gear, cooling systems, power systems, everything that comprises our data centers. We actually finish the design of a lot of our equipment as we bring it out to the data centers. And so it's in the operational theater that we actually finish the design. It's a chance to operate on the very leading edge of hardware designs and network designs.
It can be very exhilarating. It can be rather humbling too, to realize just how big of systems you're working on and how many people touch Google's website every day. It's a thrill to know that at times I'm the brains that keeps the brains behind Google running.